Happy learning and a good day. Undoubtedly, COVID-19 is one of the direst threats the world has facing today. And yet, amidst the uncertainty and apprehension, as Filipinos, we are still calm and full of hope and perseverance. We have the spirit of conquering fears and desire to learn new language. I am Mr. Leo T. Sulihon, your facilitator for today. And welcome to the first day, first week in a first quarter lesson. And it's all about break one's neck through learning analogy. Happy learning and a good day. Learning a new lesson is an integral fulfillment of both teachers and students. It is interfolded with a great happiness and connections to a new normal status quo. I am Leo T. Sulihon and I will be your teacher for today. And welcome to the quarter 1, week 1 and day 2 lesson. Hello students and good day. As grade 7 learners, you are very motivated and inspired learning English. Beyond uncertainties in slow internet connection and busy helping your parents in the household chores, still you are eager and willing to learn new lesson. I am Leo T. Sulihon and I will be your teacher for today. Welcome to our third day in the first week of the first quarter lesson with the learning objective is to observe the correct subject-verb agreement. Hello students and good day. Today, it ends up with our 1-week virtual teaching presentation. And I am so happy that you were able to complete the task or activities presented in day 1, 2, and 3. And no one, we need to continue the quarter 1, week 1, day 4 lesson. This is Leo T. Sulihon and I will be your teacher for today.